Hi everybody, we are in the lobby of the OTIS factory in Florence, South Carolina. While I can't show you the factory itself for obvious trade secret reasons, I can show you the cool stuff they have on display here. We are going to get to see a total of 4 elevators, 2 virtual and 2 real, including a Gen 2 sales sample and the awesome elevator in the test tower itself. So, with that being said, guess what time it is, everybody? That's right, it's elevaTOUR time. There's DieselDucy. We'll start out our tour here in the lobby of the facility, where they have some cool OTIS stuff on display, such as this timeline of OTIS's history, as well as some really cool OTIS elevator artifacts. Now let's get on to the elevators. The first thing we're going to see here is an OTIS Compass Plus simulator. Let's check it out.
If you want, you can do this real quick. So yeah, you already figured out the key switch. Nice.
Please enter destination. Floor 9. Proceed to car 8.
Yeah?
To the next
Oh, okay.
I've learned a lot of stuff.
That's awesome.
Going up.
You know, less expensive elevators. The reason that we have hydros in the U.S. is because any building with 2 floors, any commercial building with 2 floors needs an elevator. So it really expands the market, and that's why we have the hydro. In a lot of other markets, they don't have that requirement, so they don't have hydros.
So would we have engineers come from worldwide, so they might be coming from Russia, Spain, they always get very confused about
Why we have hydro?
Yeah, they're like, why do you have that?
Yeah, so we're one of the only regions that has a hydraulic elevator. Everyone else doesn't. So if you guys see right here,
We have a hydro at our office. In the winter, the leveling needs to be adjusted because of the temperature.
Yeah, because it's colder, so yeah.
so if you
The
guys
next elevator we're going to see is a hydrofit. While it looks like a real elevator, it's actually a simulator and it's very cool.
Oh cool, it's an elevator that doesn't go anywhere.
Now onto the real elevators. We are going to get to ride an OTIS Gen 2 sales sample.
Oh, I see, because if it's a 3,500 pound car with 1,500 pound capacity, basically.
Yeah. So you'd want to do, so it's 3,500 pound duty load, and then you have the empty car weight as well, so the actual weight.
Pretty neat.
We live about 2 miles.
Hello, you should ride that thing, Jay. That is pretty cool.
I've always loved the Gen 2 and getting to see this was awesome. Now we're going to get to ride one of the elevators that goes the full length of the test tower. Notice the employee's reaction to me being in the building.
I know you were down here.
Yep, I'm DieselDucy.
There's people who ride around and review elevators.
I'm the
It's a
one
weird
that's
concept
I'm
to
the
me.
one that started it all.
I guess you gotta have a hobby.
All right, we are going to get to ride the elevator in the test tower at OTIS. Here we go. get out up here, and this is the conference room. And can you please pick up my glasses? And here's a quick view. They're waiting for us back downstairs, so I'm not going to take too long. All right, if you don't mind, could you ring the elevator, please?
This amazing tour was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I must say a huge thanks to OTIS Elevator for making it happen. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.